Marco's new CheckMaster weighing terminal is the latest technology for your pack house. So you can fully understand who is packing what, every operator must log in to their workstation using either a unique code or by swiping a radio frequency identification tag. This enables full monitoring of each operator's productivity. Marco's yield control technology has security measures in place. If an operator tries to reweigh the same punnet, they will be automatically locked out from their station. If they try to issue a punnet that is too light or too heavy, they will also be locked out from their workstation. A full audit of these events is stored in the Marco Trackit YCM software. To make packing easier, the fill guide will tell you how many berries to add or to take away. It is now possible to change the product you are packing directly at the CheckMaster terminal. This new functionality massively speeds up line changes. An operator simply chooses from several pre-programmed product options, from punnets through to boxes or trays. Every weighing option ensures that all packaging tears are automatically handled and correctly applied. To record the individual waste at the scale, the operator is prompted to follow simple on-screen directions. By recording the waste, a pack house can better understand individual operator performance by quality as well as speed. This data combined provides real-time, accurate mass balance for the pack house.